This is a 2006 Hyundai Santa Fe Limited, one owner with 52,000 miles. Yep, 52,000 original miles, Texas vehicle, one owner, no accidents, wonderful condition, needs nothing mechanically or cosmetically. For 15 years old, just an amazingly clean vehicle. Tires are in great shape. It is a limited. Not a door ding on this thing. Moonroof, leather seats, heated seats, aftermarket navigation, Bluetooth, fog lamps, incredibly clean. Perfect student vehicle. Leather seats, power windows, locks, mirrors, and cruise. 52,000 miles, aftermarket navigation, heated seats. Like I said, just in amazing condition for its age. So once again, this is a 2006 Hyundai Santa Fe Limited, one owner with 52,000 miles in wonderful, wonderful condition.